friends, we have one more exercise number 26. We make this 3D sketch model into Vectrio parametric software. Now first of all we start from this reading of the sketch. So first of all we make this shape and extrude up to 48 mm. Now these both are symmetrical features, so make one and mirror from the center plane. So first of all we make this sketch, intermediate sketch. The dimension of this given sketch is given 44 and height is 38 plus 22, so 60 mm. So draw the rectangle of the 60 by 44. Select sketch, select this plane. Okay, now draw the rectangle. Dimension is 60 mm. Half of 60. Now make the another rectangle. Here the slot is given. The dimension of this slot is 32 and height is 15 mm. 32 mm, height is 50 mm. Take into center. (32) divided by 2. Now draw this hole diameter is given 30 mm and hole center from the bottom edge is 38 mm. Select the circle. (30 mm diameter and center from the bottom edge is 38 mm. Select the tree, cut this line and make the close sketch. Okay, select extrude up to 48 mm and it take into center. So select the symmetric option. Okay, now make this both edge corner radius is given 22 mm. Select the round with the help of shift, enter 22. Okay, change the appearance. Now make this square features from the center line. Both the end of the square is 64 mm, so half of 32 mm. Take center 32 mm from one side. Select plane, select this mid plane. 64 divided by 2. Okay, now sketch on this new plane. Draw the rectangle 54 by 34. Select rectangle with the dimension 54, 34. Now this one is a 34 divided by 2 and bottom edge connect with this. Okay, select extrude opposite direction, select extrude up to this radius and this vertical surface, select extrude up to, next, okay. Make this hole diameter is 20 mm and 38 mm center from the bottom edge, select circle, select sketch, select this face, hole diameter is 20 mm from this bottom, 38 mm, okay. Extrude, select extrude opposite direction and up to, select the inner face, okay. Now make this hole, the hole center from the center line is 48 mm, so and hole diameter is 8 mm. Select sketch, select this face, okay. Select circle and make here, draw here this circle, the diameter is 8 mm from the center line, (48) divided by 2 is both circle center distance, select extrude opposite direction, select to, next, now make this slot dimension is given 20 mm length and 6 mm height, select sketch, select this face, okay. Draw here the one rectangle, dimension given 20 mm from the center 10 mm and height is 6 mm, select coincide, select with edge, select extrude opposite direction up to selected, select this face, okay. Now all these features mirror to center plane, select all, mirror, select this plane, okay. Hide this one, now our exercise is done. Thanks for watching these videos.